Watch this video and learn how to draw a snake.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Well.
Hello, Artie. Welcome to the show.
Welcome to Artie's show.
That's right. Welcome to Artie's show.
Yeah.
Ready to draw? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Of course you are. You love drawing.
Yeah.
Let's make some art.
Yeah. Let's make art. Let's make art. Yeah.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Are you ready, Artie? Artie, should we start? Let's draw a half circle and then a straight line going up at an angle. That's right. Now carry the line straight up. There you go. Let's do a couple of little lines.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting!
I love it!
If Artie's drawing too quickly for you, here's a little song from Louie. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Let's draw the bottom of the snake's head, his chin, and then let's carry on down with the neck. Now let's go back to the top with another curved line, all the way up to the beginning of the head. That's perfect. Let's draw a wavy line towards the right, and then let's do another wavy line that connects to it at the end. Now let's do another line at the bottom that connects the whole shape together. That's looking really good, Artie.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Now we're going to draw the tail of the snake. Let's do another S-shaped curve. This drawing has got lots of S shapes in it. S for snake. Colour break? You want a colour break? Okay, let's do it.
Hello, little artists. It's time for Betty Brush's Color Break. Today's color is one of my favorite colors, green. Green is a color found in nature, such as grass and leaves. Green is also the color of my favorite vegetables, sprouts, lettuce, bell peppers, and broccoli. Green is also the color of the stripes on Artie's shirt.
Thank you, Betty. You know, sometimes snakes are coloured green. Okay, Artie, draw a nice snake-shaped eye and fill it in all black. Now let's do the right eye, another snaky-shaped eye, and fill it in black.
Man, this is creative!
Artie is so talented.
He sure is, Betty. Now, Artie, let's draw a circle around the left eye. That's it. And now let's draw another circle around the right eye. Now the snake can see us. Hello, Snakey. Oh, Artie, should we draw some eyebrows? Yes? Okay, let's draw the eyebrows. Draw two curvy, skinny triangle shapes and fill them in black. Same on the right-hand side. Now let's draw the snake's long tongue. And guess what? It's another wavy-shaped line. Some snakes have a fork-shaped tongue. That means there's two ends at the end of the tongue. Just like Artie's drawing right now.
Someone really needs to dust up here.
Sorry guys, I'll get to that later, I promise. Little artists, if you ever find a snake outdoors, don't go anywhere near it. Go and find a grown-up. Snakes can be dangerous. You're finished! Are you all finished, Artie?
Yeah.
I love the green and yellow colours. It looks great.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Yay.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you have an arty day. And until next time, bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.